efficiency. AI helps nurses complete tasks faster, like documentations, vital signs monitoring, and data checking. This helps nurses to this means less time on paperwork and more time with patient. Next, better decision making. AI provides quickly assess patient data and evidence-based suggestions help nurses to make safer and more accurate clinical decisions. Time for patient care. AI reduce workload. Nurses can spend extra time focus on patient care, communication, and emotionally support. And last, enhance patient safety. AI tools can be detect early warning sign, for example, suddenly change in vital signs, medication risk. This help nurses to prevent complications and protect patient safety. Challenges of AI in nursing. Lack of knowledge and training. Many nurses are not fully trained and don't have enough knowledge about AI. So, learning and training are needed before using AI tools. Job security concern. Some nurses fear AI may be replace nurses' role, but actually AI not replace nurses' role. AI provide to support nurses. Ethical, legal and privacy issue. We must make sure patient data remains safer. Ethical guidelines are needed to use AI tools. Technical barrier. Sometimes systems do not work properly. For example, system error, poor internet connection, lack of technology support. These technology issues can be limited to how to effectively use AI. Now, I will discuss about another important part of ethical, legal and professional concern related to AI. Ethical. Ethics tell us what is the right and wrong when using AI. Patient privacy. We must protect patient privacy because AI use a lot of patient data. Autonomy and consent. Autonomy and consent. Hospital must be protect all patient information and patients should know about what is AI and AI involved in their care plan. Biasness and fairness. Sorry. Biasness and fairness. Nurses need to understand treating all patients equally. Accountability. We must be accountable. When AI make a mistake, who is responsible? Legal. Legal side focus on rules, law and policy. Data protection. Hospitals must be protect all patient information by using AI. Regulation and policies. Hospital must be create some rules and policies to safely AI use. Informed consent. Patients should know what is AI and AI involved in their care plan. Last, liabilities issues. We must consider liabilities issues. When AI make a mistake, who is legally responsible? Nurse, hospital, AI companies. Profession. These is related to nurses' rules and nurses' profession, rules and competence as a nurse. Nurses' role. AI don't replace nurses' role, but refine the nurses' role. Decision making. AI support decision making, but final decision should always made by nurse. Competent and trained. Nurse must be trained and confident to using AI safely and correctly. Addressing the concern. To manage these challenges, we need AI, ethics and digital literacy. Nurses need to understand both technologies and ethics. Clear policy. Nurses need to understand. Nurses need to understand. Hospitals and nurses' body must be create clear rule to use AI safely and effectively. Transparent and fair AI system. AI should be open, understandable and free from biasness. Collaboration. Nurses, doctors and other healthcare teams work together to use AI safely and effectively. Now, it's time for activity. तो अभी तक हमने जो कुछ भी प्रेजेंट किया है इसके रिलेटेड हमारे पास एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी है ताकि हम अंडरस्टैंड कर सकें कि आपने इससे कितना कुछ सीख लिया है। तो इस एक्टिविटी को कंडक्ट करवाने के लिए हमारे पास 3 कलर्स की डिफरेंट शेप और डिफरेंट कलर की हमारे पास शीट्स मौजूद हैं। आपने इस एक्टिविटी को उन चीज पे परफॉर्म करना है। फर्स्ट ब्लू, ब्लू रिप्रेजेंट ट्रस्ट एंड सर्कल शोज यूनिटी। The question relate to blue color. Do you believe AI will become a reliable partner for nurses in the future? Next, red. तो आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि रेड कलर किस चीज को रिप्रेजेंट करता है? हैंड रेज करें सब आप बताएं।
अलार्मिंग साइन।
जी, आपका बात बिल्कुल सही है, बट यहाँ पे हमारे